let's look at the question where the cost of a salon visit was $55, not including tip, and an $11 tip was given to the stylist. What percent of the cost was the tip? With a question like this, since we're looking for percent, we should start from the definition of percent as it relates to this question, which works very much like sales tax, where the tax percent is based upon the original amount paid. So from that I'll make a statement, and then I can deduce an equation from that. So let's start with the definition of tax. Tax, in this case, or tip, perhaps is a better term. Tip is some percent, which we don't know, I'll refer to as X, of the total value of the purchase, which in this case was $55. Now I also know that the tip was $11, so I'll put that in. Is interpreted as an equal sign. Now, X% is what I want, so that's unknown. Of is interpreted as a multiplication sign, and 55 is 55. So I'm left with the equation 11 equals 55x. If I'm going to solve for x, I'll need to isolate my x on one side, meaning that I'll get rid of my 55 by dividing each side by 55. When I reduce, I'll have x on one side, and 11 divided by 55 comes out to be 0.2. And since I'm asking for a percentage of some sort, in this case the cost of the tip, or the percentage that the tip represents, I have that answer in decimal form, so my last step is to multiply by 100, changing it back to percent form. The effect of which is I take my decimal point with the two spaces to the right, and I'm left with 20. More specifically, 20%. So we say this particular salon, an $11 tip on a $55 style is 20%.